Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka and I saw your comments about workwear outfits and here's one for you guys. So I put together this a small lookbook. Let's start with the basics. That is a kurta. Every one of us have these and this is the most preferred workwear. So I picked this kalamkari kurta. It's pretty basic but also quite pretty and also very comfortable for any kind of weather, and you can just pair it with your basic leggings or any sort of trousers. And this one's a long one and it's from an Instagram store. You can definitely get it. I'll leave the link in the description box. And this one's like long one, so when you're not wearing it to work, you can actually dress it up and put a belt on it or accessorize it and wear it as a dress as well. So I went with silver jhumkas. You can actually accessorize wearing some silver neck piece or something very basic yet fashionable. And yeah, also you can wear like a dupatta. Kalamkaris are the best and the fabrics are so comfortable and you can dress them up in so many different ways. So you can accessorize and dress it up any which way you want. And of course, not just kalamkaris, any basic kurtas are a must have for your office wear. Second one, I went with something a little more fashionable, still goes with any dress codes that we have at work. It's a long pleated skirt and I'm wearing an animal print top with it, which is actually back in fashion now. And I also thought red lipstick will go quite well with it. And if you have any special occasions at your office, then this is an outfit that you can try. Even on a general basis, if your workplace is not very particular about dress codes, then this one is for you. So you can again accessorize and wear a belt, and this is quite fashionable. And if you're working in like marketing or PR or anything a little bit on the fashion side, then this is something very right, not too much out there. So that was the second look. For the next look, of course, we have to have a saree, because sarees again are one more comfortable yet fashionable pieces of and wardrobe, not just for workwear but anywhere on a daily basis or even for special occasions. This one is an ajrak print saree and it's a very comfortable one and in a pastel color, very beautiful. I paired it with a crop top because it's fashionable and a lot of people like to experiment with blouses and crop tops for workplace as well. So I just wanted to show you guys an option, but of course whatever is comfortable, you can wear like a normal crop top or like a longer top as well, and something with full sleeves. Some crop tops which are in stretchable fabric, which you can find in Zara or H&M, even those are perfect for these sarees, especially if you workwear. You can even get something stitched in a little bit of a high neck and with simple design, button detailing and all that. I will do more videos about that, but that was this look, and a little bit of silver earrings and a bindi and you're good to go. The last look, again I have something very simple and basic, a basic white kurta or a basic white tunic, which every one of us have. If you're someone who likes to wear white formal shirts, then this is a look that you can try out. So these are pretty much your basic trousers with stripes, but then these are stretchable, so very comfortable and quite fashionable too. So this tunic, I thought I'll add, since the tunic and the entire look is basic, I thought I'll add a little bit of pop of color with these yellow mules. They are amazing and super comfortable. You'll find similar ones at H&M or Zara. And again, laptop bag to complete this look and some dainty jewelry just to add some neck pieces. You can layer 2-3 neck pieces like this. And I went with red lipstick, but I know a lot of people are not comfortable wearing red, so you can pick something in a nude color or something in light pink for everyday basis. So that was my workwear outfit ideas, you guys. So I hope this was helpful, and I have a lot more coming up. If you enjoyed this video and if you found it useful, give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll do one on workwear with full-on just Indian outfits, all desi outfits. So let me know if you'd like to watch that, and also let me know what else you would like to watch. Leave all your ideas in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram for more updates, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.